Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial of balance sheet module. The balance sheet provides a snapshot of your business financial position on a selected date. We have a date filter which helps you to generate the balance sheet on the specific date. On the below we have our balance sheet report. We have two sides, the liability side and the asset side. The left side is a liability side, which includes subhead or ledgers like current liabilities, vendor balances, duties and taxes, capital accounts. And the right side is our asset side, which include ledgers or subheads like profit and loss account, current assets, uh, like this. Now you can expand the ledgers or subheads by clicking on the plus icon, and you can view the details of that specific subhead. Now at the bottom of the both sections, you can see total amount. In a balance sheet, the total asset and total liability should be equal. This confirms that all financial transactions have been properly recorded. And if there is also one more column, opening balance difference. If opening balance difference is displayed, it indicates that a difference between opening balances of accounts. This should be reviewed to ensure that all opening balance have been entered correctly. Now, at the end, we have a download button on the right side, which you can click to download the balance sheet report in Excel format, which is easy to review, share, or maintain records. To summarize the balance sheet, it helps you to understand the financial position of your business. The left side show the liabilities and capital, while the right side show assets. You can expand account groups to view detailed ledgers, review balances, and download report whatever you need. Thank you for watching.